This is division of polynomial function. Can you solve this one? If you can put your answer under the comment, and don't forget to subscribe, to share, comment. Let's continue with together. Today we are going to take the lesson how to divide the polynomial numbers. This is Smart Academy. Don't forget to support us by subscribing, sharing, commenting. Okay. The question is x to the power of 4 plus 6x cubed minus 10x plus 3. This is x squared minus 1. Yeah, do you get us? You get, I hope. Then let I show you clearly. X to the power of 4 divided x to the power of 2 means x to the power of 4, this x over x to the power of 2. Yes. Then this means x to the power of this 4, this 2 comes to this one. Yes. There is 4, this 2 comes to this minus 2. Yeah. X is the power of minus 2 means x square. Yes, x square. Then x square. Do you get? This x is the power of divided for x is the power of 2 means x square. Yeah. Then let me multiply this one. X square times x square means x is the power of 4. Yeah. Then by these variables, when we multiply to each other, the power it become add or sum up 2 plus 2 in another order. Do you get? If you don't get it, you can ask me under the comment. Then x squared times minus 1 means minus x squared. Yeah. Then let we put like this one. After that, let we subtract. X to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4 means 0. This becomes 0. Minus x squared. From what we subtract this one, in this place, there is no x squared. For this reason, what we do, like this one. Let I rewrite around this one. 0 by there is in imagine around this x square. 0 x square. 0 x square. This minus this also. This x square has minus. Then in the bracket minus x square. Then this one. This minus and the minus it become positive. 0x square plus x square means how much? X square. Yes. Then for this reason it become x square. Yeah. Then there is plus 6x cubed minus 10x plus 3. Yeah. Then we do this first. First of all, we do this one. Then, okay, 6x cubed divided by x square means 6 divided by 1. In imagine there is 1 around this one, 6. Then x cubed, it become x. Don't forget. How it become? This 2 is come to this by minus, by become minus. 3 minus 2 means 1. Yeah. It become only x. 6x. Then this one plus 6x. Yes. 6x times x square means 6x cubed. 6x cubed. 6x times x square means this x around this one, there is 1, this 2, this means 3. Yeah. 6 times around this one, there is 1 in imaginary, 6, yeah. Then 6x cube. Do you get? I hope. Don't forget to subscribe. Are you subscribed? Then also 6x times 1 means minus 6x. Minus 6x, because there is minus this one. Minus 6x. Then what we do? Minus, we put, let me subtract 6x cube minus 6x cube, it becomes 0. Yes. Then x square minus this x square also left. This x square minus, also I told you earlier, there is 0x square in imaginary. Yeah. 0x square. Then x square minus 0x square means x square only. Then this one minus 10x. This one, let I show you, minus 10x. This minus 10x. There is minus around minus. Also this minus 6x. Minus 10x. This minus, it become positive. 6x. Then this minus 10x plus 6x means minus 4x. Yeah. This means let we change by changing this place. It minus 10 plus 6 means it become minus 4x. Yes, minus 4x. Then this one is left plus 3. Yes. Then also x square divided by x square means 1 plus 1. Yeah, do you get? 1 times x square means x square. Yeah, x square. 1 times minus 1 means minus 1. Minus 1. Then this x square, there is minus. X square minus x square means 0. Yeah. Then also this plus 3 minus this means this there. Okay, plus 3, no, plus 3 minus also minus 1 means this plus, then this it become positive. Minus times minus means positive. Then 3 plus 1 means 4. Yeah, for this reason around this there is 4. Yeah, we rewrite. Then this also minus 4x. So as I said you earlier, in this place in imaginary 0x. Yeah. This means minus 4x minus this minus 4x, this minus, then minus 0x. To become in imaginary there is 0x. Then minus 4x minus 0x means minus 4x. Minus 4x plus 4. This one positive plus 4. Then minus 4x divided x square. If you said it doesn't divide to each other because this variables its power has 1. This variables its power has 2. For this reason it doesn't divide to each other because this power has greater than this power of x. For this reason it doesn't divide it. Don't forget. Then the final answer is this one, x square plus 6x plus 1. Yes, by the polynomial division, this it become the remainder. Don't forget remainder. It become remainder. This minus 4x plus 4 is remainder. This one is a quotient. This it become the quotient. This is a divisor. This is a divisor. Don't forget this concept. This one is a dividend. Yeah, dividend, remainder, divisor, quotient. Yeah, we have finished today tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, to share, to give your suggestion, to support us. We will continue this together by another topic. If there is unclear, ambiguous question, we can solve this together. Stay blessed. Thank you.